Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the Illumined Arms MCX22 adapter kit. There's your packaging. Inside of that, you'll have a charging handle adapter, labeled front, and then you have a buffer plug as well. Lastly, you will need a CMMG 22 Bravo kit. Mine's got a weight. It's optional, not needed, but nice to have. I'm also going to assume you know how to remove your stock bolt carrier group from your MCX. Now for the install, take your charging handle, put it in like normal. You're going to take the charging handle adapter, labeled front. You're going to slide that in. Take your 22 CMMG Bravo kit, slide it in as well. I like to give it a tap. So you can see that focus. And that's it. Now you'll take the buffer plug. You're going to put it in the back right in there. As such. Take your receiver. That's it.